shop talk. If that doesn't sound like your normal 555, there is a reason. The chainsaw guy has put a high-performance 62cc engine in this saw and done the electronics on it. Very high-performance 555. And look at some of the features it has. Got the master control on the left here. Vibration isolation motor mounts. That is a 24-inch barn chain with a chisel bit chain. Very fast cutting, square tooth. Got the working chain brake. Falling spikes. Right now the chainsaw guy has several high-performance chainsaws for sale. If you're looking for a chainsaw, you should give the chainsaw guy a call. These are all checked out, high-performance, in very good shape chainsaws. And I'd put some more on the bench, but I just don't have room. So if you're needing a chainsaw, give the chainsaw guy a call.